HR and talent acquisition aren't the same. Stop treating them like they are. Talent acquisition builds the future team. HR manages the current one. Mixing them slows both down. Here's how to fix it. 1. Draw the line. Talent acquisition builds hiring strategy. HR handles structure, policies, and people. Label the roles clearly. 2. Build a talent engine. Don't wait for open roles. Set up a pipeline that brings in the right candidates on time. 3. Let HR focus on staying power. Recruiting keeps HR stuck in the weeds. Shift it off their plate so they can focus on retention, culture, and compliance. 4. Align without overlap. Each side should know when to collaborate and when to step back. Define the boundaries. Strong teams need clear lanes. Are your teams aligned or tangled?